Hello students, welcome back. Let us start with exercise 11.2 on page 195 of chapter 11 constructions. So the first question, you need to construct a triangle ABC in which the base BC is 7 centimeters, angle B is 75 degrees and the sum of two sides, the remaining two sides AB plus AC is 13 centimeters. We have seen the basic constructions for these type of triangles. So let's get started. So how would we do this? First we will draw BC with the base 7 centimeters. So I am taking 7 centimeters. This is not exact 7 centimeters on my scale because it would be too small. So I am expanding it. This is BC. But you make sure that this length is 7 centimeters in your book. Okay. Then what we are going to do is we are going to construct angle B, which is 75 degrees. So how would we construct 75 degrees? 90 minus 15 degrees is 75. So first a 90 degree angle which is drawn like this, B as a center, cut an arc, then divide this arc into 3 equal parts. Then you join B with these 2 points. First of all, let's mark these points D, E, F and G. So I am going to join B to E and extend it. And I am going to join B to F and extend that as well. Now I am going to bisect this angle FBE. Let me call this point as G. Now I am going to join BG. So not G, I'll keep because we already have a G over here. Let me call this as H. I'm going to join B to H. So angle HBC is 90 degrees. We have learned earlier that angle EBC is 60 degrees because this entire thing is 180 degrees. It's divided into 3 parts, so each part is 60 degrees. So angle BEC is 60 degrees. We need another angle which is, we need angle B to be 75 degrees, right? So we need an angle here. Now if you notice, angle HBE is 30 degrees because FBE is 60 degrees and BH is the bisector, right? So this angle is 30 degrees. So we need 60 plus 15 degrees to make angle B 75 degrees. So what are we going to do? We are going to bisect angle HBE. So let this point of intersection be called O. So I am going to join B to O. First of all, I will just put this H over here, joining B to O. So my angle OBC is, this entire angle OBC is 75 degrees because this is 60 degrees and this is 15 degrees. See, we have constructed angle B, which is angle OBC, which is 75 degrees. The other thing that's been given to us is that the length of AB plus AC is 13 centimeters. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this length 13 centimeter and from B we are going to cut an arc on OB of length 13 centimeters. So let me take length 13 centimeters. I am going to cut an arc over here. So this length, I will call it as D. I am going to join D to C to get DC. So we already have D, I will call this as P. So I am going to join P and C to get PC. Now the next step is that we bisect PC. So how we bisect? Actually we draw a perpendicular bisector of PC. So this is how a perpendicular bisector is drawn. You cut equal arcs on either side by keeping PC as the center. So this is the perpendicular bisector. These are the points of intersection, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to join these two points. That will be the perpendicular bisector of PC. Now this point, this perpendicular bisector of PC, let's call it as RS. So I'll keep an R over here and S over here. Let RS intersect BD at point A. So this point is your A, and this I will join A to C. So ABC is your required triangle. I will highlight it with a different color so that you understand it better. So I have A to B, AB, BC, and I have AC. This is your required triangle. So let us go ahead and write the construction. First step, draw base BC is equal to 7 centimeters. Then construct angle OBC is equal to 75 degrees, right? Then take length equal to 13 centimeters and with B as center, cut an arc BP of this length. Then fourth step, you join PC. Then draw perpendicular bisector of PC. What is this perpendicular bisector? We have named it as RS. Then let RS intersect BP at point A. Then what we did is we joined AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. So let's take a look at what we exactly did in this question. We took the length BC as the base of 7 centimeters, right? Then we drew this angle B, which is given to be 75 degrees. So first was BC equal to 7 centimeters, then angle B is equal to 75 degrees. So this angle, I called it, this is 75 degrees. Okay, I call this angle as OBC. Now this length out here, AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeters. Now I do not know where this, where A would exactly be. So I take a length 13 centimeters here from BC and I call this length as BP. Then I joined P to C. So this is my PC. Now what I do is I draw the perpendicular bisector of PC and I call it as RS. Right? So this is the perpendicular bisector of PC, RS. I am saying let RS intersect BP at point A. So this point A now, it lies on the perpendicular bisector of PC. Therefore, it is always going to be equidistant from P and from C. So this length AP is equal to AC, because we know that the point that lies on the perpendicular bisector is always equidistant from the vertices of the line given. Here our line is PC, right? So AP is equal to AC. Therefore, this triangle, if you notice, is an isosceles triangle. So now if you notice, this length that we had taken earlier, BP was how much? 13 centimeters. So I am saying 13 is equal to BP. Okay, but BP is made up of what? BP is made up of AB plus AP. Right? But AP is equal to AC. We just showed that AP is equal to AC because it lies on the perpendicular bisector of PC. Right? So instead of AP, I am going to say AC. So 13 is equal to, I am leaving this for now, is equal to AB plus AC. Hence, our construction is valid. So this length AB plus AC is 13 centimeters. So this was about the construction, and this is the blueprint of it. So please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.